In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch the X and the Y axis in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill to have when you need to reorganize your data for better visualization or simply to accommodate a new perspective for analysis. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up a new or existing Google Sheet where you have your data set up. Make sure you have a chart that you'd like to modify. If you're starting from scratch, enter your data in a structured manner, usually with labels and values defined in columns and rows. Once your data is ready, create a chart, which you can do by selecting your data, clicking on Insert in the top menu, and then choosing Chart. A chart will pop up, and now it's time to make the necessary changes to switch the X and Y axes. Now, click directly on the chart in your Google Sheet. This action should open up a small menu near the top right corner of the chart that looks like 3 vertical dots. Click on this menu, which will present more options for you. In this list, you should see an option labeled Edit Chart. Go ahead and click on Edit Chart to bring up the chart editor on the right side of your screen. In the chart editor, you will find several tabs, such as Setup and Customize. Stay in the Setup tab for now, where you'll be focusing on modifying the axis. First, locate and click on the section labeled X-axis. This will allow you to specify the data range for the X-axis on your chart. To make a change, click on Select a Data Range. Here, you can enter or select the new range of cells that you want to assign to the X-axis. For example, you might select cells from B1 to B6. Once you've selected the data, confirm your selection by clicking OK. With the X-axis modified, repeat the process for the Y-axis. Click on the Y-axis section within the chart editor to switch your attention to this axis. Once again, click on Select a Data Range. This time, select a different range of cells, such as A1 to A6, and finalize your selection by hitting OK. By following these steps, you will have successfully switched the X and Y axes of your chart in Google Sheets. Take a moment to review your chart and ensure that it now represents the data in the way you intended. This adjustment can provide new insights into your data and make your presentation more effective. Remember, these adjustments are not permanent and can be modified again if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.